There we go. Now there's just cicadas. We're in the flower garden. Roses and oregano. That's massive. I need to cut it. Even though once I cut it, you know, it's going to be wow and crazy and go even more. But this is an unboxing video. I do have a Baker's Creek order coming. But this is a Johnny Select Seeds. So these are, you know, I order a year ahead. So these are my next year's seeds. I don't want to be caught with my pants down. In case something happens, I like to be prepared. So I've already thinking about my next year's garden and what I'm going to have in it. What seeds I'm going to save this year. Everything like that. How I can be more efficient in growing things. So, here is what's inside. We have a Mellow Star sweet pepper. It is actually not a sweet pepper. It's actually a shishito. I ran out of shishitos. I had, I don't know, 6 or 8 growing in the grow room, and I didn't water them very well, so they ended up dying. So these are replacement shishitos. May grow this right now with the other peppers. And if I'm ambitious enough, here's a picture. I got special different colors of straw flowers because when I ordered the other straw flowers from this year, when I ordered them last year, I just ordered a straw flower mix and a lot of them were pink. I think I have like 2 yellow, an orange, and then a pink. So I ordered some white because I can always use white as the fillers in my bouquets. Vita Verde cauliflower. This is the we didn't get any cauliflower this year, so as usual I'm going to try again. Flame Star, which is the orange cauliflower. Madam Butterfly. These are those Snapdragons I showed you in the garden walk video of the ruffly Snapdragons. These are definitely my all-time favorite. I think I got 2 of these, or at least I hope I did. It also says they're edible flowers. That would be really pretty in like a salad. But it says uses cut flower and edible flowers. Bernard Mini Broccoli. I love broccoli, so there's that. We got lots of broccoli this last, well, for Georgia, we got lots of broccoli this spring, or well, late winter. Baby bear pumpkins. I'm definitely going to start pumpkins, I think it's in June, July, August, September, October. Yeah, so these are a Potomac Custom Mix F1 Hybrid Snapdragon. So these are really pretty too. They don't have the ruffle and they're like the regular Snapdragon, but the flower color on them is beautiful in the pictures. I really hope they look like that because it's like a white that fades to a pink that has like a yellow center, or a red that fades to an orange. So I'm looking forward to growing those next year. More white status. copper red straw flower. Gumdrop PMR F1 hybrid jack-o'-lanterns. Moulin Rouge branching sunflower. Sunflowers are always in season. These say specialty pumpkins. Marina di Chiago, this, which is probably backwards to you. Coral Fountain Amaranth. I didn't grow any amaranth this year because we grew a bunch last year, and there's still seeds popping up from last year. So I gave the amaranth a break, but this is got that really pretty draping effect, and it's smaller, so it's not like the big stalks of amaranth. Apricot peach straw flower. That's gonna be hybrid specialty pumpkins sunlight. These are yellow pumpkins, like that flower over there, yellow. That's what these are. So that's gonna be crazy. Pincushion flower, always have those. I really like them, and I get excited because I don't know what color they're gonna be until they pop up. So. Blanco specialty pumpkins. White pumpkins. And I'm pretty sure I still have some polar bear pumpkins from last year. I have a secret place I'm planting the pumpkins too. We'll have to see. Only problem is it's not on my property, and I'm gonna have to bucket water over there. So there's that. Johnny's Status Formula Mix. Mix Status. Sunrich Summer Province Sunflower. And our last one is a giant thing of sunflower seeds, because we love sunflowers. So I will probably give it a week or two, and then I will sow some more sunflower seeds, because we got some going, but we got the bigger ones that should be in a few weeks, probably 2 or 3 weeks. Those ones will flower. And we got the ones behind that, which will probably be 2 or 3 weeks behind that. So if I wait 2 or 3 weeks, we'll have some more behind that. I'm really trying my hardest to get the good succession planting going on, and have all seasonal flowers, all different kinds. So we'll see how well that goes. And then I gotta keep these pumpkin seeds somewhere, and I gotta go through all of my seeds and figure out that seed storage system that I was talking about. But I will have another video of the Baker's Creek when it comes in. I gotta order some more beans from there because I forgot those. Actually, I thought I was gonna be good, but the beans over there are from 2 years ago, and we all know how I water in the greenhouse when my seed packets are out, so the germination rate on at least one of those packets was really bad. The other 2 were okay, but there's still space in there where there could be more plants, so I gotta get some more beans. But that's that. And if you didn't tell me in the last video, or didn't see the last video, what are you most excited about growing this year? What is your staple that you always have in your garden? And like and subscribe for more. And I will talk to you later. Bye. Don't conform. Be transformed.